The president was exactly as you would expect him to be, and he answered questions the way that you would expect Mr. Trump to answer questions, and conducted himself in a manner that you would expect Mr. Trump to conduct himself. We conducted the deposition of Donald John Trump, the former president of the United States. And while Mr. Donald John Trump is the former president of the United States, his testimony today had nothing to do with anything that occurred during the time that he was in office. This is a deposition concerning a civil matter about events that occurred on September 3rd, 2015 in front of this building, Trump Tower, wherein our clients, peaceful protesters, were violently attacked by a group of Mr. Trump's security personnel and had their personal property, including their signs, confiscated from them. This is an important matter because everybody here is a New Yorker, and New Yorkers know that the public sidewalks are sacred. I'm a labor lawyer, I represent labor unions, and I can tell you that a sidewalk and a sign is sometimes all we have to speak truth to power. We cannot allow that to be taken away. Just because someone's name is on the building does not mean that they get to dictate what happens on the public sidewalk. That belongs to the people. We believe there is ample evidence to demonstrate that before and after the incident at issue, the Trump organization, the Trump campaign, and Donald J. Trump himself authorized and condoned violent acts in violation of individual rights, just as those acts that were committed against our clients on September 3rd, 2015 on the sidewalk of Fifth Avenue in front of Trump Tower. What I can say about what transpired in this building today is that there was a demonstration that our processes, our legal processes, still work. The judicial system still works. No one is above the law. Donald John Trump sat in a chair, put his right hand up, and he took an oath. He took an oath to tell the truth, and nothing but the truth. And he answered questions for several hours with his counsel present. And that is part of what we call due process in this country. And maybe some of us forgot that that applies to everyone in the course of the past several years. But I think today serves as a demonstration that our institutions are intact and the rule of law is supreme above all else in this country.
We know that President Trump is going to be here and he's giving a deposition under oath. And we know that Trump lies all the time. And it's important now that he's no longer president and he can't claim executive privilege, that he is forced to tell the truth about all the things that he and his corporation and company have done over the years, and to get the truth out and to keep him from running again in 2024.